this part here, you just keep adding 360 to get always negative real. So for negative real, the argument would be pi plus 2k pi. So that's why you get this angle here lah. Pi plus 2k pi. This one, same thing lah. This is the same. Okay. So if say you negative real your negative real, the argument will be pi plus 2k pi. Okay. So say if you want negative imaginary will be here. Or let's say you want imaginary number lah. Okay, imaginary number is here. This is imaginary. Imaginary is any number which is here along this line here. Okay, so you start off with this is pi over 2. This first angle, right? But you keep adding, basically the argument here is you keep adding pi, keep adding k pi, k pi, k pi, k pi. So basically this is just adding k pi. Okay, or minus k pi. It doesn't matter. The k is just a multiple. K is actually just an integer value. Okay, just -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, just know that. So basically this would be your if you look in this part here, this is your negative. We'll purely measure is this one. It's the same lah. Okay, so this is just go back and revise this part here. This is very important. The argument tells you how the complex number behaves. So this is what we need to know. So let's look at how do we solve this question here properly.